Good morning, this is Gavi. How are you? Today we are doing part 2 of box. And today we want to look at the sizes. Boxes are everywhere. Some boxes are huge, some boxes are big, some boxes are medium, some boxes are small, and some boxes are tiny. This is a huge box. It's huge. This is a big plastic box with black wheels. The yellow ball is inside the plastic box. This is a medium-sized fuchsia colored box. Inside the fuchsia box is the purple box. This is a medium-sized yellow box with a light yellow colored lid. Inside the yellow box is a smaller green box. Medium, small. The fuchsia box is bigger than the yellow box. The yellow box is bigger than the green box. The green box is smaller than the yellow box. The yellow box is smaller than the fuchsia box. This box is fuchsia and white and pink, and it has a bow on it. When we open the box, there's another box inside. This box is pink on the bottom, and the top is turquoise and white and green. When I open the box, there's another box inside. There's a blue box inside. This one is small. This is very small. Huge box, small box. In English, we say small or little. Inside the blue box, we have a tiny box, tiny white box. What's inside of the white box? Nothing. There's nothing inside of the white box. Huge, big, or large, medium, small, tiny. Thank you for watching part 2 of boxes. I will see you next week with another video about boxes.